Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Susino Variatin. I'm a lecturer at the Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Health Science, Universitas Muhammadiyah Palangkaraya. On this special occasion, I would like to share the result of our research concerning formulation of anti-acne cream bawang dayak ethanol extract Eleutherin bulbosa meal oil. As we know, acne is one of the most common and chronic skin infections affecting almost everyone during his lifetime. P. acnes was involved in the development of inflammatory acne. Bawang dayak is a typical plant of central Kalimantan. This plant has been used for generations by the Dayak people as traditional medicine. In the previous studies, it was known that bawang dayak ethanol extract can inhibit P. acnes and was made in the cream formulation to improve the efficiency of using traditional medicine. All formula on day 0 and day 7 were suitable for topical application, but on day 7, Formula 3 and Formula 4 were separate and non-homogeneous. All cream formula can inhibit P. acnes, however, the antibacterial activity on day 7 has decreased in the category weak activity. This study was aimed to determine the effect of bawang dayak cream storage for 30 days on physical properties and antibacterial activity compared to the preliminary studies conducted on the cream on days 0 and 7. Now let's talk about materials and methods. Bawang dayak in this study were collected from Segohong Village, Bukit Batu Subdistrict, Palangkaraya, Central Kalimantan, Indonesia. The plant materials were dried under the sun for 5 until 7 days. The dried plant materials were crushed by grinders. The powder of the plant materials was extracted with 96% ethanol using a percolator. And once the process was finished, all extract were concentrated in a rotary evaporator. The formulation components used are listed in Table 1. The components consist of oily phases and aqueous phases. Physical property test on cream consists of an organoleptic test, homogeneity test, pH test, adhesion test, and dispersion test. A cream formula was tested to determine an antibacterial activity against P. acnes using a diffusion technique. A clindamycin antibiotic used as positive control with concentration variation of 0.5, 1, 2, and 4%. The study repeated in triplicates for each cream formula and positive control. And now let's talk about the result of the physical property test on cream. The result of the organoleptic test showed that Formula 1 had a lighter brown color and odor than the other formulas. It was shown in Table 2 and Figure 1. The difference in color is due to differences in the concentration of bawang dayak ethanol extract in the 4 formulas. The homogeneity test showed that on day 30, Formula 1 and Formula 2 were homogeneous, but Formula 3 and Formula 4 showed a separation phase between the oil phase and the aqueous phase. The homogeneity test of the cream aims to see whether all the content are combined perfectly. This homogeneity is related to the suitability of the dosage at each application. If the ingredients are not perfectly combined, there may be differences in dosage or content in each formulation that is applied. Table 4 showed the result of pH test on day 30, where Formula 1 was 5.6 and the other formula was 6. The pH that's suitable for topical application is the same with skin pH between 4.5 until 6. The adhesion test of the cream serves to find out how long the cream adheres to the skin surface. The longer the cream is attached to the skin, the more active substance is absorbed. The requirements a cream if it has adhesion for more than 4 seconds. In this study, it is known that Formula 3 and Formula 4 meet the requirements because the ability of the cream to adhere to the skin was more than 4 seconds. The dispersion test aims to determine the softness of the cream mass so that it can be seen the ease of applying the preparation to the skin. The requirements for the dispersion test with the addition of a final load of between 5 until 7 centimeters. In this study, it is known that Formula 2 does not meet the requirements because it has a dispersive power of less than 5 centimeters. Next, let's talk about the result of the antibacterial activity test on cream. The antibacterial activity can be classified into 3 levels: weak activity, inhibition zone lower than 12 mm, moderate activity, inhibition zone between 12 and 20 mm, and strong activity, inhibition zone higher than 20 mm. Accordingly, all cream formula of bawang dayak ethanol extract on day 30 have weak activity against P. agnes, whose inhibition zones were in the range of 5.6 until 9.6 mm, although the zone of inhibition smaller than clindamycin as a positive control. The secondary metabolites such as flavonoids, alkaloids, saponin, and tannins contained in bawang dayak ethanol extracts can be responsible for the antibacterial activity against P. agnes. In conclusion, based on the research done in this study, it can be concluded that 1. Formula 3 and Formula 4 cream meets the requirements for pH, adhesion, and dispersion tests, but not homogeneous. The adhesion time in this study was better than the formula on day 7. 2. All cream formula on the 30 days of storage show weak activity against P. agnes. 3. All formula has potential as anti-acne cream, but further research needed to improve formula composition and stability so it can be developed as an anti-acne cream product. So those are the results of our research that I can share with you. It's been a pleasure for me to have this kind of great opportunity. Thank you very much for your attention and see you.